Hello everyone. Today I'm here to introduce you to something that's been transforming the early childhood education, the Toon Dummy Smart Learn Kit. It's engaging, measurable, and future ready. Let's have a look inside. Here is the Smart Learn Kit for nursery section. Going by the name Early Foundation, let's now unbox the kit for the nursery learners. First, we have the skill books. The 6 skill books offer an integrated approach for language and numeracy. In the language section, we have stepwise introduction to the letters and sounds with many activities with beautiful illustrations. It's a joy for the little learners with their first steps in the world of language. In the numeracy section, pre-math concepts, numbers, shapes, and colors. It makes numeracy a joyride for the learners. With stories along with rhymes, this book is a complete package. Next is the General Awareness book. It connects the learners with their environment but with a global approach. The STEM activities included in the book makes it very special. Next, we have the exercise book and the number book to reinforce the language and numeric concepts. And then the prettiest of them all, the creative expression books, which aims to unlock the creativity in the learners, focusing upon the visual, culinary, and performing arts. And that's what makes this Smart Learn Kit a complete smart approach for the learning journey of the 21st century learners. The Play and Learn Kit has an assessment book to reinforce and track the learning journey. It comes with few manipulatives for your art, colorful stickers to motivate the learners. You have got the wall charts for each learner, a folder and worksheets, and that makes the Play and Learn Kit a fun package for the little learners.